at the bottom.
Which one do you want? The squeezy one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
The Green Day, this one here?
Yeah. Green Day. Green, green, green.
Oh, careful. Leave the camera alone. Where are you going? What are you doing, Squish? Why? I'm not taking pictures. I'm filming you. I'm taking a video.
That's my head.
Should you be playing with that? It's either mummy's or daddy's. It's a charger. It's daddy's. It's not a charger. It's for his telephone.
Why?
It means you can use his hands. It's a hands-free kit. It means you can use the telephone without having to use the camera, or without having to use his hands. Isn't that cool?
But does he not put it on his phone?
No, he doesn't need it.
Why?
Because Daddy doesn't drive, so he doesn't need to use his phone without using his phone. It's very complicated, isn't it?
Why?
It just is.
Shouldn't do that.
What? Don't sit on the arm of the chair, please. Where are you going now?
Here.
Why?
Well, I want to. I'm hiding.
What are you hiding?
Yeah, hiding. Hey, me.
I can see you. Where are you going?
Here I am. I'm going to have a DVD.
You're going to find a DVD. What DVD are you going to find?
I'm going to have...
Careful. Toy Story. You wave goodbye to the camera. Wave goodbye to the camera.